The Blue Ribbon Committee hearing is now called to order.
Senators led by Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano pushed through with a flood control hearing on Thursday, saying the probe should continue despite the ongoing leadership dispute in the Senate.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we will continue to function. Hindi po kami makapag-away, hindi po kami kapit-tuko, walang violence sa aming mga buto. Pero ipaglalaban namin Pilipino ang konstitusyon at ang katotohanan.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano maintained that he remains Senate President, while Senator Pia Cayetano continues to chair the Blue Ribbon Committee. The hearing featured witnesses who reiterated claims about alleged cash deliveries linked to the flood control controversy.
Paulit-ulit ko pong sasabihin sa inyo, lahat po ay gagawin nila. Huwag lamang matuloy ang pagnig na ito at sa anumang paraan ay talagang gagawa sila dahil nga sa kanilang pagtatakip. Wala pong ibang isyong pagtatakpan. Kanina ko pa po inuulit-ulit ito. Dito lamang sila interesado. Hindi sila interesado sa impeachment. Interesado sila dito sapagkat maraming dapat na mabulgar, ngunit natatakot silang malaman ng buong sambayanan kung sino-sino sila.
Despite objections from other senators, Cayetano and his allies argued that investigations involving billions of pesos in public funds should not be sidelined by political realignments within the chamber.